finds a way to get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start. Life finds a way to bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began.
Take full control of your music editing with CapCut Pro's new audio separation feature. CapCut Pro has introduced an incredibly powerful tool, separate audio. This feature lets you split a single track into its components: vocals, bass, drums, and more. Whether you're remixing, enhancing audio clarity, or just experimenting with sound, it's now easier than ever. And best of all, you can try all Pro features free for 7 days. Activate your Pro subscription through the link in the description. Now, let me show you exactly how this tool works. To get started, load your audio track into CapCut. Once you've got your music or audio clip ready, head over to the Audio tab. Scroll down, and you'll find the Separate Audio tool. You'll see options for vocals, instruments, drums, bass, guitar, strings, and even more specialized options. Now, let's split this track into its core elements. Select the element you want to separate from the audio. You can also select multiple elements and separate them into a new audio track. For now, let's separate the vocals. Check this box if you want to keep the remaining audio on the timeline after separating the vocals. In our case, we just want the vocals, so let's start the process. Since this is a cloud-based process, it may take some time depending on your internet speed and the length of the audio.
Time finds a way to get us back to the start.
Our vocals are separated perfectly, and we can now edit this using the Voice Filters feature in the Voice Changer tab.
Time finds a way to get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start.
Let's try this on another soundtrack with different elements. This time, we'll separate the drums and bass from the audio file. As you can hear, each element is crystal clear, giving you complete control over how you want to use or remix your audio. Now, what can you actually do with these isolated tracks? For one, you can remix songs by bringing the vocals to the forefront or removing the instruments entirely. You can also create background soundscapes, keeping just the drums or bass to complement your visuals. And of course, this tool is perfect for enhancing clarity in your videos. For example, if you want to remove the vocals and use only the instrumental part as background music, now you can. Now, let's talk about some legal use cases for this feature. You can remix public domain music, create entirely original soundtracks using isolated instruments, or use the separated elements to enhance your own content. Just remember, when working with copyrighted music, ensure your usage aligns with fair use or licensing requirements. You can try this feature for free with CapCut Pro's 7-day trial. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.